Right, so I'll just give you a quick idea of the setup, kind of what we're going with. So we have the bike, a book tent, power washer, tools, all tools and stuff rammed in here. Say hello, La. It's the track. Looking fucking mint. There's the old watering tank out. Get some fresh water down on that. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much. That's the view that everyone wants to see. Look at that. All the flags set up. Banner and logo. And a full paddock. That's what we all came here to see. Irish round 3 Vernonmount. let's just break it down. So the qualifying, qualified fourth, pretty good. Track was kind of smooth. Track was very nice actually for qualifying. That was fine. Qualified fourth, 3 seconds slower than the quickest guy. So the first race I went second. Second race I went P7. Third race I went P4. And then because Ross DNF'd the third race, then I got a third overall then, so podium, which as a result is good because, you know, with them sort of finishes at 2, 7 and 4, you don't expect to get in the podium with that, but I was very, very lucky this time.
When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean.